pasensya na kayo kasi for agenda to
Oh, okay.
Larry News ka. Yeah, Anne, you just came from Singapore.
Yes.
Yeah, very open ka naman. Ito hindi personal. Kasi very open naman siya.
Okay.
She went there and she made a shopping spree, shopping galore ka sa Chanel. You're with Raymond. Yeah.
With Raymond, correct.
Oo nga. Sabi ni Raymond, you really deserve it naman. You've been working a lot. And
Opo.
ang maganda sa iyo, Anne, you did a shopping spree, pero ang hindi alam ng iba, you're doing a lot of charity works, donating to a lot of mga organizations, di ba?
Yes,
Oo.
yes.
So, yung iba sabi, bakit siya nagsha-shopping spree? Ang dami nangyayari. But yun nga, sabi ni Raymond mismo, you deserve it.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I also believe that when I do my charity work, I don't have to post everything that I do. Basta alam ng mga taong tinutulungan ko na natutulungan ko sila, masaya na ako, diba? So, it's not something I have to brag about na I'm helping these people or posting. I have my own foundation which is called Dream Machine. And of course, I continue to work with UNICEF, which is upholding the rights of children. But Dream Machine, which is my personal foundation, it's about making dreams of everyone, no matter your age, you can never stop dreaming. So we like to believe that we can still continue to help them make their dreams happen, and I can be their dream maker. So yun yung concept ng Dream Machine.
Yeah, as you said, you're not bragging about it, but your friends are very proud of you.
I know.
Sila mismo yung nagkukwento na you're really helping a lot of people, mga nangangailangan, di ba? Yeah. What can you say na yung mga friends mo mismo is sobrang believe sa'yo?
Oh, I love, it's so important, I think, especially in this generation of social media, this generation where at any moment of time, people can attack you left and right. It's so important you have a core group who's there to support you, who are your real friends through thick and thin. I think it's so important, and ito yung kailangan marinig din ng mga bagets, di ba? Find your core group, trust them, build and nurture that relationship with them that will last a lifetime, because this industry is already so tough. So to have a life outside of it, which is my core group, it really helps. It really helps keep you grounded, keep you humble, and to know that you have a group that will support you for a lifetime.
Yeah. And ang sarap mo, nung mga barkadahan nyo.
Yes.
Kasi talagang nagsusupport kayo sa isa't isa.
Correct.
You even went to Shanghai for the birthday
Yes.
of Georgie.
And we've known each other since we were super young, like 18, even younger pa nga yan.
What do you think is the secret ng pagiging solid ng core group mo, ng friends mo?
Honesty. I think honesty, and kasi inevitable, mag-aaway-away din kayo, but it's how you get through that. Because pag may honesty, there's always love as well. So honesty, love, and respect.
Yeah. And sa tingin ko, walang ingit.
Yes, walang ingitan, tsaka bonding, shopping together.
Yeah. Thank you, Anne.
Thank
And,
you. Thank you, Jude.
Yeah, Simone, he's so excited about your movie. Kinakwento niya na kaya ka namili ng mga Chanel is for the promo. Yeah, ng
I love Mon, my shopping partner.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I hope one day ma-interview ka niya for agenda.
Oo nga.
Yeah.
Let's plan it.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Miss Phoebe.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
Mrs. Yeah. Okay.